Hello and welcome viewers and subscribers of ABG News. Olisi, the son of Nube, is my name. I hope I find you well on a Friday. Well, I'm here to respond to Zimbabweans who are living in South Africa, who are either undocumented or are on an asylum seeker's permit. That is your section 22. So what is happening is that many people have reached out to us. They've been asking if the Zimbabweans that are in South Africa are allowed to apply for asylum seekers permits. Some have asked us if indeed it is true that Zimbabweans who are in possession of asylum seekers permits can now be arrested and deported because that kind of a document has been outlawed or cancelled for Zimbabweans. This is what I want to respond to. But before I go ahead, may I request that you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it. So, as I have said, people have been asking us if Zimbabweans are still allowed to apply for asylum seekers permits or refugee documents to claim asylum in South Africa. And the answer is yes. You remember that there is no blanket amnesty against or for any certain country. Yes, there have been blanket amnesties in terms of people from the likes of Somalia, Ethiopia, requesting asylum in South Africa because those countries were at war. But there's no blanket rejection of people from a certain country based on the fact that that particular country is not at war. As long as you have a valid case that you want to claim asylum for, you have proof that you have been persecuted in your home country, be it politically, be it because of Islamophobia, be it because of your sexual orientation, maybe you're a gay, you're a lesbian, be it because of an individual case that you find yourself in, you are allowed to apply for asylum anywhere in the world, including South Africa. But you must have a valid case. So it is not true that Zimbabweans are no longer allowed to apply for asylum seekers permits. This is treated as an individual by individual basis. So if you have a valid case that you are claiming asylum for, you will be granted that asylum. You will even be granted a refugee status in South Africa and be given a refugee ID. But it is not true that this has been cancelled. Then secondly, there are those that are carrying asylum who say that they have been arrested by police. They've shown them their asylum seekers documents, which are valid and up to date, but they've been told by police that this has been cancelled for Zimbabweans and they've been made to pay bribes. If you are in that kind of a situation and you get arrested again, if you have a valid asylum seekers permit, which has been stamped and is still valid, hasn't expired, if you are arrested by police, do not pay any bribe. Ask them to take you to court, and I tell you they are going to release you because it is not true that police can cancel an asylum seekers permit for as long as you have got a valid document from Home Affairs, which is not fake, which is not a fraudulent one. You are here legally and protected by the law of South Africa. So police do not cancel or outlaw any document from Home Affairs. It is up to the Department of Home Affairs to legalize or delegalize people in South Africa. The police are there to enforce the law that has been put in place. They do not second guess the Home Affairs Department. They do not cancel what the Home Affairs Department has put in place. So I hope I'm clear on that. But if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to inbox me via WhatsApp on 073-962-3075 or use the comment section underneath this video. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend.